はい、皮はね、前のカゴ捨てていってね。皮はあそこに。
ありがとう。たっぷり？
美味しいでしょ。美味しい。また帰りよってまたおまけするから。
Kano? Mahal?
Hi, it's Gracie Vlog. Are you excited to see the Mino Falls?
Yeah, of course.
Naging bakit? Ang ganda oh, buti perfect yung sky ngayon, no? Makikisama.
Nandito lang po kami sa Mino, paakyat na Mino Falls. Mino Park pala, papunta ng Mino Falls.
Matagal pa daw. So, kitang-kita nyo naman. Ganda-ganda ko ay ng view.
Ay, wedding. Ay, oo nga. Pwede magpa-picture?
May wedding natin na naganap dito, guys.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find.
Here with Joycey Vlog. So, at last, nakagalan ulit kami. Thanks to Father Arman, Ate Sheila, and Ate Jo sa pagsama sa amin. Yes. Lagi, pag nakagala tayo, kasama natin. Oo. Yes. Kasi yung gala namin, guys, kapitbahay lang ng branch, kundi supermarket. Yes. And today talaga, inano namin siya, nag-leave kami for work. Nag-day off talaga kami for this gala. This certain day. Since wala pa kami picture this year ng autumn, so here we are! Yeah!
Test the waters, oh, it's hot. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. Take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made of all the love we find. Electric, feel it in your hands. Hypnotic, watch your body stand. Happiness, this is where we stand.
Kung nakikita niyo guys, pag-aari yan ng Japan. Welcome to Mino Park. Sana all. Oo. So, hindi pa kami nakakarating sa Mino Falls, guys. So, mga 30 minutes na ata kami naglalakad. 30 minutes more than? More than? More than 30 minutes. So, enjoy the fresh air.
A few moments later.
Ang kainan na. Favorite part. Oh. Ah. Hara, huli ka. So, kain muna kami guys kasi medyo napagod kami sa kape picture. Favorite part of all. Guys, gusto niyo makakain ng ice cream na gold? Matcha. Tag 1,000 lang.
So, hi guys. Pababa na po kami. Kasi pauwi na kami. We're done. We are done. So, ayun, na-enjoy na namin ng autumn for this year. Kasi nakagala na at least kahit minsan.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good.